나한테 진짜 영어 그런 English aja boleh?
Oke.
Campur-campur.
It's hard to speak in Korean because it's so technically. So hero for me is just maybe it's not like you have hero. You say that yourself is a hero, and you found your friends are your hero. That's we can say that too. But for me, it's hard to say hero because hero is really has an important meaning. Because hero is really how to say hero has a really big meaning for me. So this far I've got no heroes to tell. Maybe just for some inspiration, someone that who give me inspiration is maybe you know Helen Keller. How to pronounce her name? Helen Keller, right? Because she can speak like 5 languages, but she can see, she can hear anything, she can speak, and she could speak in with sign language and 5 languages. So until now, for me, my inspiration is her. But for hero, beside of God, I don't have any. So
Can you mix it with Korean, please?
Oh, Korean. 나한테 용어는 잘 없어서 아마 인스피레이션 있어요. 그분 이름은 헬렌 킬러입니다. 그분은 영어가 많이 말할 수 있어요. 그래서 진짜 좋아했어요. 너무 잘하고 예쁘고 그냥 좋아요. 감사합니다.